White River. Ocho Rios White River.
We're in Ocho Rios White River.
Bamboo rafting.
And we are going on bamboo rafting this morning. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah man, eat the ice cream, you know?
Grape nuts. Well, one. Hold it while we go on. Thank you. Soon come. Woo. Guys, we're going river rafting.
Yeah man, that's tall man, you know? Yeah man,
Tall man.
No. When you come, Ocho Rios White River. Yeah.
What?
Captain Charlie Brown. Yeah. I'm our captain for today for the river raft. Captain today for the river rafting. Yeah, so anytime when you come, people from UK, America, when you come link up, yeah, and look for
Charlie Brown.
Captain Charlie Brown. Yeah.
And my number is 3794429.
Yeah.
When you hear that, people?
This is so pretty. Look at that. Woo.
On the border between two parishes.
Huh?
The border between two parishes.
Okay.
Ocho Rios, that's over by St. Anne.
Mm-hmm.
The side St. Mary.
Okay.
Yeah, you can find Mr. James Bond Beach, Antonio, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the reason why they call this is where the White River, while it's on the bottom is white.
Oh, because the
know.
bottom is white.
Yeah,
Okay.
you know, I'm always curious. White River. White sand at the bottom, you hear that, people? That's the only white river in Jamaica. Yeah, with white sand, white river. That's the reason why they call it White River. Is because underneath the bottom, show them the bottom of the water. Show them. The bottom of the water, you can see is white sand underneath it. Just like on the beach you find white sand. Yeah, the white sand is, yeah, underneath of this water. So that's what they call it, White River. So when you come, yeah, you will think, look, Jamaica crab. I don't know if you can see him right there, so.
Gee, look how could I eat that?
Yeah. You find a, yeah man, you find a lot of Jamaica crab and the river, them dig hole in the mud and live in there. Yes, one other one leg. When you now go see, that would have thing there, yeah. Yeah man. In that same water, yeah. Yeah. Oh, we went blue hole the other day, so you see, if you watch the blue hole video, that is the same river. Yeah, yeah, blue hole where we went, if you watch that river, yeah.
Woo! Another crab.
Yeah man. Yeah, so blue hole river, that's the same river that run come straight to White River. Yeah, look.
Oh, that's another crab, babe.
Yeah, see another crab. See him right down there.
Jeez, a good time to catch some crab, man.
Yeah, Jamaica river crab.
Whenever the rain falls on the night,
You see them?
Okay.
Yeah, man. River crab. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah.
This is amazing. Beautiful.
Yeah, man, I grew up around them region get to here, so I know never I grew up not really grew up still not born here, so I'm from Kingston but come here, so yeah man, come live, spend some time, finish, grow up.
Oh, yeah, okay. No, me just. Huh? Okay, is there where you do the massage and thing? Yeah, we need massage as well. We need a massage. What experiences? See, like all the girls there, I want that picture that I want to take.
Yeah, yeah.
Who?
Sprocket man, Sprocket to come in a bashment.
Who name? Oh, I don't know him. Who him there?
You know what Bashment, the Jamaica movie, right?
You ever watch it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
No Bashment Granny.
Not Bashment Granny. It's a Jamaica movie. You have a thing there in it.
Him? Hello.
Alright, see him? It's a Bashment. Yeah, man.
You can stop when it's one of the swim, stuff like that, no?
Huh?
You stop for like 5 or 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to take a dip in the water?
Oh, vlog me there.
You want to go swim?
Yeah, me go.
Go ahead, me not swim. I tell you, me not come in the water, so.
Like I can there now. Where they go. I don't just feel like refreshing. Can you swim? No. Okay. Okay. It's like a party place, it's like a party, a birthday party.
Oh.
Bikini party.
Okay.
So, you know, laptop, fish, chicken, what I get need.
Yeah.
Great for them, you know.
Hey, watch your water, you know.
Yeah. You may put it on the front. Yeah, babe, the king.
Man, Jamaica call them on swap daddy, you know? Yeah. Them on lady boss lady, you know?
Yeah. How you feel, babe?
Yeah, man, relaxing, you know? Yeah, work so hard and come back home.
Yeah.
Just need to relax.
For real, for real.
No place like home.
Warm face, warm.
You have nobody where you want big up?
Yeah, man. You know, need to big up my crew, at work. Yeah, Tony and Tony.
Elma Ashkeho.
Big up yourself. Nag, big up yourself. Ivy, Salaman. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Donna Campbell, Gemma Shakespeare, the whole team. Big up on yourself every time, yeah. Just the year out here and a chill, yeah man. Babuka, yeah man, more life, more blessing man, you know? Yeah man. Which one day the whole of which can take a vacation, come here and chill. Yeah.
For real, which is right, you know?
Yeah.
That's our captain.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, captain that for the day.
Captain for the day, guys.
Captain Charlie.
Respect and more love, you know?
Yeah.
Don't leave me, baby. Just drop to your knees and please me, baby. I'm vaccinated.
Alright, so we call here the number stand. Yeah. So get the camera. Ready. So you're going to take the I want to use the bar. But for this one, we'll do that. Alright, so my which is you guys are young and nice.
He's talking about roads. I'm talking about everybody's talking.
Yeah, guys are moving again, you know.
The bamboo tree, you know, make 40 on.
Huh?
Bamboo tree here, make 40 on.
Oh, so guys, that's the bamboo tree that's made the boat. That's made the raft. Yeah. See? That's it. Yeah, right there.
Very deep, you know.
It's a swimming pool and it's very, very deep. Let's check it out, man. A paper, you know, so when it wet, it with our thing there.
Say no jump in the feet.
Look, guys, the river is riches. See there? Find $100 Jamaican underneath the water. Look at that. Yeah, riches, you know. That's nature and blessing, you know. I have to bless the river too. Yeah. Here is deep, quite deep, guys. You see? Yeah, man. Here is.
Oh, deep. The stick can't catch it, ground? The stick can't catch ground? Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So. Yeah, so if you can't swim, all for the non-swimmer them stay out of this zone. And for the guys who can swim, yeah, you can actually come here and take a jump. Yeah. And guys, you need to visit Blue Hole. Yeah. Yes. Blue Hole, yeah. Yeah,
oh
yeah, it's a beauty.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we went there, guys, so go and check out that video too. Yeah.
Blue Hole.
You ready, Empress?
Huh? Yeah, I'm ready. There I go do too. I'll come in. Oh, just keep it video. Ready?
And wife, I go learn for river raft. Hope she not flip the raft, you know?
Yeah, you're going on, Empress.
I am doing this.
Yeah. Not too much speed though, you know. Yeah.
Over shoulder. Over shoulder.
Look behind you. Yeah, man. Captain Charlie, a teacher for river raft, you know? Yeah, can come back home, come join the crew though. Yeah. It's a good exercise, you know. It's not, yeah, it's not easy. Well,
Going to the stream.
yeah, yeah. Look, mullet. There's a lot of mullet just swim on the sea. Yeah, mullet, river mullet.
Look in front of you now. Yeah, rock one more time again. Okay.
She's tired. Job well done, job well done.
Yeah, my job good.
Holy shit.
No, 4,500. 4,200. She sell a nice dress them, you see it? Yeah. Our culture, you know? Made in China, made in Jamaica. Yeah man, so once you find Captain Charlie, and also that you will find her, yes.